All right, back again with bridge pose. This time we're going to do what's called rolling bridge. So previously you may have watched the video where we lifted all at once. This time we're going to do more of an articulating bridge. So some people call this the drawbridge. I'm going to show you a couple different versions to be able to practice this effectively and hopefully find a version that you like for yourself or for your class. So this first time Lainey lifts, she's going to drop her lower back into the floor, kind of like a pelvic tilt, and then peel herself up off the mat, one vertebrae at a time. Once she's to the top, taking a nice deep breath in, lifting her heels high, and then exhale, dropping herself down through her chest, through her mid-back, through her lower back, through her sacrum. Once she's on the floor, inhale, anterior tilt, so arc the lower back. Exhale, posterior tilt, and peel yourself up off the floor into that drawbridge. Heels come high, inhale at the top. Exhale, roll it back down again. Upper body, mid-body, lower body, sacrum. Inhale, anterior tilt, so there's a pelvic tilt thrown in here. Exhale, posterior tilt, roll right up off the floor. Inhale at the top. Exhale, roll it down. She could also add the arms in. So let's do the pelvic tilt. Inhale. Exhale, posterior tilt. Bring the arms overhead, press them into the floor. Inhale, reach your arms along the floor. And then exhale with the heels high, roll it down, arms come down simultaneously. So she's just going to do that one more time. Anterior tilt, pelvis. Posterior tilt, start rolling up, push your feet into the floor. Let the chin gently come to the chest. And then heels come high, inhaling, exhale, roll it down, sink through every vertebrae. Try to move all those sticky vertebrae the best that you can, and then right back into neutral. This would be a great warm-up. This would be a great cool-down. This would be a great intermission posture, maybe in between a flow or after some challenging postures, just to really be able to work the kinks out of the back and spine. My students love poses like this. And again, a couple of rounds is really all you need to be able to start getting blood flow through the body again. Good job.